Spekkie also wil.
Nom.
Yes, candy, yes. More candy. Hallo. Mach mal ein Willi, Junge! Du Alter! No!
We stand and watch the world go up in flames. We fight for love until we die in vain. When the sky is getting dark and we're broken in our hearts, when we build our own demise from the ashes.
What are you doing?
I'm filling up some brake fluid because the level was below minimal. In case of emergency, I need to brake.
Why do you need brakes?
I don't know either.
Welcome to the last vlog of our Italy tour 2020. Yeah, we're here for 3 times in a row now because you keep inviting us, even though we're annoying as fuck. But I don't know why we keep getting invited. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun day.
So what we are gonna do today then?
Probably a lot of maintenance on the bike and a little riding.
Last day.
Yes, last day.
The bike's still running, man.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Well. Well, it looks good though.
Yeah. Promising.
Yeah, it looks promising.
Hello!
Are you enjoying yourself, GDB?
I'm really enjoying myself. Just look at the scenery. Roads are awesome. I have the best people surrounding me, like Crash King, Joshua, Specky. But where is Specky actually? Oh, he's still at the Mendola Pass, right? He couldn't keep up with us.
And who else did we meet today?
course, Ferdy is joining us. We met the Hamburger Wheelie Kids, and we also met Siki and a guy from around this area. I think he's called on Instagram SMK7 Airlines, something like that. Don't pin me on it, but yeah, it was really nice.
Everything with you next to me. I know that I've been the enemy, but at my moment above it. Lost in the ceiling, caught up in the ceiling. I can't seem to let it go. Locked in this cage, I've been stuck here for days, and I can't seem to let you go. You pull me up and I put you down. You gave me love, then I stole your crown. You let me in, then I pushed you out. Pushed you out. Come let me make these I've been a mess, tied by all these chains. Open my eyes,
Mach mal ein Video, Junge! Du Alter!
Pas mal auf, Junge! Junge!